Hi friends, welcome to Bitcoingem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in this video, we are going to look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is completely moving the markets single-handedly, and it always does. Hence, I tell you a lot of times that whatever alt you are invested in, whether it is Veracity, whether it is Layer, Link, any alt, you should keep an eye on what Bitcoin is doing and you should watch my Bitcoin analysis every time. So before we begin today's video, I hope you guys have read this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research. Guys, it takes special effort and special time to give you all the things that I want to in form of Twitter and making videos on YouTube. So if you could just like the video and subscribe to the channel, it would be a great boost to my confidence. Thank you very much. Let us begin today's video. So we are going to look at Bitcoin on two different time frames, on the daily time frame and on the weekly time frame. And it's very important for you to look at different time frames to know what is happening on a longer perspective or on a larger perspective. So currently, Bitcoin, what I have marked in black over here is the bull support band, or you can say a pivot point, in my opinion, on the daily time frame, which is at around 45,000 to $44,900 region. This is very important price on the daily time frame. Unless and until we are holding it as support, I see it eventually Bitcoin again start trending higher. If at all we break $45,000, and what I mean by break is a daily closing candle. We can see even yesterday and today the price went down, but that was a spike on the daily chart. Unless we do not get a daily closing below 45,000 or 44,900, it's not considered as breaking the support. So please understand this. Unless and until we are holding this as support, I can see we consolidating and eventually again going and retesting this price at 50 to 680. If at all we break 45,000, if at all we get a daily candle closing below 45, then we can go and retest 39,500 in my opinion, because that is one big support or next major support. If I look on the daily time frame, we will also get some support from 200 EMA, which is at 41,354, and we can even bounce back from there. If we look on the weekly time frame, our weekly important price support or pivot support, in my opinion, is at around 46,200. This is the region which is pivot in my opinion. If we break, so if we get a weekly close below 46,200, then that would be bearish on the weekly. Now on the weekly, our bull support band currently is at 43,500. So anything above 43,500, if you go on the weekly chart, we are bullish, and it would just be a bullish retest. If at all we get close below 46,200 on the weekly candle, then the next immediate support on the weekly is at 37,500. Hence, this is very important for you to look on the daily basis and also on the weekly basis, because it depends what time frame are you trading. But overall, if we go on the weekly, we have just done a bullish retest. It's still not bearish at all on the weekly time frame. On the daily time frame, we have gone below our 21 EMA, but we are still about 200 EMA. So we are in between. So we are not bearish right now, but we are on the verge of being bearish. Unless and until we have a daily close below 45,000, we won't be bearish on the daily. But if we have, in my opinion, we can go and retest 39,500. You should be prepared for it. Similarly, if we get a weekly closing below 46,200, then the possibility of 37,500 does open up. Looking at the Stoch RSI, we are bound to see some selling pressure, in my opinion. So the best case scenario for Bitcoin would be to go sideways for the coming 1 or 2 weeks. We can go sideways, we can have a wick and come back. This can happen on the weekly, but it will be too early for the weekly because we still haven't even broken this. Similarly, for the daily, it will be too early. But what scenario, worst case scenario can happen is we can go, we can have this is a big support, we can bounce back, and then this would become resistance. So we'll have to wait what is happening, because overall the only thing that is driving the entire market right now is Bitcoin. Hence, keep an eye on this and I will keep you updated. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Take care. Bye bye.